Another important region of the brain is a section that's called the brain stem. So this is an evolutionarily quite ancient part of the brain. So this is our cross section, the head again. Here is our spinal cord, right? And as it starts to get thicker, as we head further north, this region here, the medulla, the pons, and the midbrain form, these three sort of form the brain stem. And the brain stem includes nuclei. Actually, these, again, are collections of neurons, right, that are essential for survival. So there are going to be some nuclei that are actually engaged in maintaining your breathing rate, right, in controlling some autonomic output, in terms of heart rate, in terms of organ function, and things like that. So nuclei, utterly essential for survival, are found in the brainstem. There are also nuclei that release what we call classical neurotransmitters, and that's the first time we've introduced this term. We'll be discussing the classical neurotransmitters as we continue with this class, but really the term classical, all it means is that these are the neurotransmitters that were discovered first. But it turns out that they are released from nuclei that are located in the brainstem. There are also nuclei, again, collections of neurons that are found in the brainstem that control complex motor behavior, and actually rather complex and sort of socially important behavior, like postural adjustments, facial expression, whether you freeze, for example, or you move with more ease. There are also sensory axons entering the brain, so all the information that's coming from your body, both the external surface of your body, somatosensory information, but also the internal gut information is going to be sending axons from these sensory neurons up your spinal cord and then through your brainstem, to ultimately make synaptic connection in the parietal lobe and in the insula. In addition, there are also motor axons leaving the brain, leaving the cerebrum. So from the frontal lobe, right, from the precentral gyrus, there are going to be axons that are going to be extending down through the brainstem. So there's a lot of wiring that's found in the brainstem as well, both sensory information coming up and motor information going out.